Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video would be an unboxing of my Walmart fall box. I get a beauty box from Walmart for every single season and I'm just going to be unboxing my fall box with you guys. These boxes cost me nothing, only $5 for shipping. To get your own beauty box, you may go to beautybox.walmart.com and sign up. You take a quiz and they'll ask you what you like. I believe they do have a men's box as well, which is super dope, and it comes with a bunch of travel sized and sample sized products so you can try stuff out to see if you like them before actually buying the full size items. So enough of my yapping, let's get into this video. So this is the box. Well, this is what the box looks like, and excuse my little, I don't know what to call this over here. They kind of stuffed it into my mailbox so it looks a little damaged, but this is what it looks like when you come inside and you open it up, and here are all the goodies. So the first item we have here is this Cetaphil cleansing bar. It says it's for dry sensitive skin and my skin type is oily, so I think I'll be giving this to my mom because she uses Cetaphil soap a lot because she does have dry sensitive skin. So I'll be giving this to her. And that's a great thing about these boxes, guys. Like, if you get it and you have something inside that you don't use, you can put them aside to make kind of like a little gift or add to a gift basket for somebody. It's a good idea. The next item in here is this Biore. So this is a charcoal micellar cleansing water. It says it's great for oily skin, which I do have, so I am super excited to try this. I've heard great things about this brand and their products for oily skin, so I really have high hopes for this. Next product that I got in here is just a sample size of the Nivea aloe vera lotion. And aloe vera is super hydrating, so I'm excited to try this for the winter. I do use the Nivea cocoa butter lotion and it really helps with my skin. Like, the rest of my body, my face is oily, but the rest of my body is like super dry, and I'm just like, why couldn't I just have like normal skin? Make me normal. But yeah, I have super dry skin on the rest of my body, so I'm excited to try this to see if this is more moisturizing than the cocoa butter one that I currently use. So I just have a sample size of this. And then we have here my favorite mascara. This is the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, and this is the travel size version of it. I do actually have the full size version in my makeup bag that I take with me on the go, so I'm just going to switch this travel size one out for that one and put it back on my vanity. But I love this mascara. It's one of the first mascaras that I ever used, and I've always come back to this. Like, this mascara is really nice. So another sample that I got was of this La Bella gel, and the shampoo here, it's gonna take like 6 of these shampoos to ever wash my hair, but this gel, if you guys have watched my hair product declutter, you would have seen me with 2 full-size bottles of this gel because I absolutely love it for when I do like my high ponytail. It gives me great hold. This is the Max Hold gel, and I love it because it has avocado oil in it, so it gives me nice slip and it doesn't make my hair feel hard. So even when I'm ready to take my ponytail down, my hair won't feel hard and make me feel like I need to wash it. So that's what I love about this gel. The next product that is in this box is this Freeman Beauty hydrating mask. So this is a water gel mask, and I love Freeman Beauty products. Actually, some of my favorite masks from the drugstore comes from this brand. They have really affordable and very effective products, so I'm excited to try this, especially for the winter season where it's like colder, the air dries your skin out a lot. I love to use hydrating masks, and I'm excited to try this one. My favorite hydrating mask as of right now is a Neutrogena Hydro Boost mask, which I actually got to try from this Walmart summer box, and I fell in love with it, so I want to see if I'm gonna fall just as in love with this one as well. The next product that I have in here is called a My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch, and this looks like a lip mask. I've never tried a lip mask before. I've only exfoliated my lips, but a mask itself I've never tried, so I'm kind of skeptical to try this because it's my lips, and if something goes wrong, we have a world of problems. So I'm gonna try this on my day off to see how I like it, that if anything should go wrong I have some recovery time. So yeah, I'm gonna I don't know, try something on my lips. It's kind of risky. Okay guys, so as I was putting away the things from my beauty box, I found this little bad boy hiding under the tissue paper, and it's just a Maybelline Precise liner. And I'm like, okay Walmart, we definitely showing out with this box today, so I'm really excited to try this, and it came just in time because I'm almost out of my NYX liner. So I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know that this was included in the box as well. The final item that I got in here is this pack of Kleenex wipes that I also got in my last box for summer. And you can never have too many wipes. I like to bring this with me on the go. They come in very handy should you get messy or you're using a public restroom and you need to like wipe around a little bit. Yeah, I like to bring these with me on the go, so you can never have too many of these. And that is it for this unboxing, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have ever heard of a Walmart beauty box. Do you guys actually use a Walmart beauty box? Do you have any other subscription boxes that you like that are super affordable? Because I'm cheap, honey. And this Walmart box, $5 every season, is right up my alley. So yeah, don't tell me about them Ipsy boxes that cost you $10 a month. That $10 a month adds up to $120 a year. That's a lot. And my little $5 every season is only $20 for the whole year. So, you know, if it's an affordable box, tell me about it. I'd love to hear. I'll talk to you guys next time. Make sure you're subscribed. Bye.